Amazon allows its users to download their spending history via Chrome extensions. Amazon is one of the most excessively used e-commerce platforms with millions of products and users all around the world. Users frequently navigate to the platform for buying every product from a pair of socks to electric items, furniture, and more. But it's quite challenging to keep track of your spending, utilize your credit card statements, download a Chrome extension, and be updated with your digital wallets. Here's how to find how much you have spent on Amazon 2024. Amazon removed options to view spend history. Previously, an option called Download Order Reports was available under the Account Settings page on Amazon. A default option used to allow us to see how much you spent on Amazon, which was later removed back in 2023. But here are a few methods to follow to find out how much you spent on Amazon 2024 via Chrome extensions. Firstly, install Amazon Order History Reporter from the Chrome Web Store. Now, click on Add to Chrome Ad extension. Afterwards, navigate to Amazon's web page. Now, log into your Amazon account and tap the newly installed extension. If you can't see the newly installed extension, then navigate to Extension Settings and pin it. Then select your desired date range and then click on Show Totals and Comma-Separated Value CSV Downloads. Select Download Spreadsheet.csv. Amazon spending on Google Wallet. Firstly, launch Google on your phone and click on the browser. Now, enter the keyword shopping. Once the search results are returned, click on the Business tab Amazon icon. Here you can see your shopping history of the previous month, adjust the date ranges accordingly, and find out your history by going back to back each month. Amazon orders on the web. Firstly, click on your Amazon account, tap List Order, adjust the date accordingly. Now, your entire spending will be shown on every order. Note every order total on a paper and keep calculating them and get a total of your spending. Amazon order history on mobile. Launch the Amazon app and click on the person icon available at the bottom. Click Orders Filter. Afterwards, click on your orders and view their details.